So what we'll do today is today we'll focus on well line and how to improve its strength through molding simulation. It's a wide topic, but we'll try to cover as much as we can. And remaining portion, we'll try to bring it on in our next webinar. So let's get things started. Here's a disclaimer and copyright, so making sure everything is taken care of legally. And here is the outline for today's presentation. As I mentioned, we'll focus on well line. And today our purpose is to improve the well line strength through molding simulation and how molding simulation can come in handy when you are taking a deeper dive into understanding what's going on with your well line, not only just the location, but also the strength of the well line. We'll look into various scenarios focusing surrounding that, and we'll look at the various results inside MoldX 3D, like end of filling location, well line location, more importantly, the particle tracers. So not only you can understand the location of the well line, but also understand the physics behind it. So we'll take a look at particle tracers, meeting angle, temperature. Will help you understand what those results mean, and also fiber orientation. So we'll help you understand what those results mean and what are the takeaways from this presentation in order to evaluate your well lines inside MoldX 3D. And at the end, we'll talk about some summary and conclusions, and also we'll talk about a technology link. Let's say if you want to run further analysis with your FEA, we'll talk about what goes into that. So inside MoldX 3D, you can not only predict the location of the well lines, like how we are showing in this particular image, where we have an automotive part, and you can see the well line locations where they're located. So you can understand, even before the tool is built, you can understand where the locations of the well lines are, and you can try to change your gating or any design changes to make sure if they are located in the areas where you don't want, you can take care of it before even the tool is built. Yeah. So here is an example, and you can see this is an automotive part. There is the comparison between the actual part versus simulation. And what we're going to cover today is not only you can look at the well line location, but also take a deep dive into physics behind what's going on inside the well lines by simulation. So here is a small example on the dogboard part where we will try to look at increasing the modulus strength for those well lines. So, and we're going to look at three designs. So here on the left-hand side, we have a dog bone where we have one gate, right? Here we have a dog bone where we have two gates at the end.